Trafford cannot believe they're not.
Nice swerve by Neymar, down on the ground, still loose. Mbappe slaps it home with his hand, showing his frustration, thinking that maybe a foul could be there, but
Couldn't he?
the spaces are there, but...
And there's Salah. His first touch is vital. He's put it out of play because he looked as though he was passing to Jean Matip, who wasn't on the field. He's walking off, he's done.
6 games for club and country this season, and they're giving it away again. It's spooky. Can he score this one? Yes, he can. What were Manchester City thinking of?
It's Griezmann. Oh, Griezmann, it comes off for him, he squares it. And the unbelievable has happened. Leo Messi failing to connect.
Ze Španělska tohle je šance Daxler, budou balonu první, dával Icardimu, nakonec ještě šance a vlastní gol, tak tohle je smůla. A takové potvrzení toho, v jakých problémech se nachází.
That's short, and that's going to be a fourth, is it? It must be, it is. Maitland-Niles. Arsenal have a fourth. Liverpool have shot themselves in the foot here. James Milner, of all people.
Forma muerte de Veloso. Error de Ramos que va a aprovechar en la presión William José para lograr el 0-1. Corría el primer minuto de partido con
Dybala on the turn. Oh, Ronaldo in the way.
What a great block by Ronaldo. You can't believe it.
Pereira trying to force Doherty back. I'm sure he was closer to him than he actually was, and Doherty able to get that one away.
The legs, what's he done here? Caputo! And Buffon can't keep it out. It's a horror show at the back for Juve.
Lloris.
Oh no! Hugo Lloris! What an absolute howler! And Danny Ings has pounced, and Southampton are level. Would you believe it?
Great keeping from Aaron Ramsdale! And that looked like a handball. And Steve Cook's going to be in massive trouble here. Yes, he is. Steve Cook, what on earth is he...
PSG will keep coming, and it's come all the way to Mbappe. The cushion did not last for long at all. Varane inexplicably let the ball drift, and he... Well, here's Robertson, and Shaw's missed it, and Salah has incredibly missed it too.
Waiting in the centre, taking on John Stones. Zaha, own goal! 2-2! Final minute of the 90. Palace didn't give it up.
Court after he released that by Chambers. Free kick quickly taken. Danny Ings might be in here. Great chance for Southampton, and Ings puts it in. Arsenal undressed by that quick bit of thinking by Southampton.
Gomez, and Gray has given it back to them. Oh, Van Dijk! My goodness me.
Chelsea. But Zuma didn't expect that. Walcott slipping through Calvert-Lewin. The back heel for Davis. Is there a third for Everton? Davis, great feet. What a tackle! Oh, but he's in! Calvert-Lewin! Surely no way back for Chelsea now.
To take it. Nice delivery. Oh, it's an easy goal for Jorginho. Chelsea are level. Sailing over the top of Bernd Leno's head. He can't believe it. And neither can most of the people in the ground.
It's an excellent ball through to Serge Gnabry. Serge Gnabry looks up. Robert Lewandowski must score. And how on earth does he fail to do so? That would have been a club record. With time to take a touch. Oh, he's lost possession. Traore, Jimenez, 2-2. And so preventable for Manchester City. 3
in the middle to hit. Looks for the far post area. Oh, what a chance! What an opportunity that was.
Turn it into a threat. Anthony Martial is in. He went for power and it just kept on rising too much.
What a tackle. Oh, it's given a penalty. Oh, the Dutch defenders are distraught at perhaps for good reason. Nico Schultz was involved at the byline. It seemed to be.
Keeper comes a long way, Gigio Donnarumma, and he's in trouble here. And Udinese have opened the scoring through Jens Strigen Larsen. What was Donnarumma thinking?
Again, got De Bruyne with him. De Bruyne weaving through. Oh, and it's an own goal of Pereira.
Support arriving, it's Armstrong. Fumbled and put in by Ward-Prowse. Ederson couldn't hold it. And Ward-Prowse came rushing in at just the right time. Would you believe it?
And it's going to break for Sarr. Oh, it's in! A horrible error from David De Gea. And Ismaila Sarr gives Watford the lead.
It's Mora, and it's on, and it should have been 1-1, and that's a massive opportunity for Tottenham.
This time it's again.
Juan Feliz, que pase de Correa y no puede definir Morata en boca de gol a apenas 2 metros. Parece imposible que esa pelota no haya podido tocar.
Incredibly, Chelsea have got away with it. Extraordinary let-off for Arrizabalaga. It's an awful clearance of all the people to give the ball, William.
Marcus Alonso on the move, but so is Gazzaniga, and he missed it. And he's come flying in and caught Marcus Alonso too. And Anthony Taylor has given it Spurs' way.
An option perhaps as the game goes on. Jesse Lingard now through one-on-one and firing just over the bar.
Oh, and Adrian gives it away, and it's a gift of a goal for Danny Ings. What an extraordinary moment.
Cross that Hugo Lloris has had, it's on, and it's headed in, and it's a real clanger from the Tottenham Hotspur captain. Lloris is injured, and a stay.
3-4-3. He's playing at centre half. Here's Ederson. Didn't get there. That could well be a red card.
Whipped in a good ball. This is Wijnaldum. And Henderson's let it go through. And Liverpool have got the breakthrough. Gini Wijnaldum strike. Rudiger challenge. One back from Son. Anthony Taylor has something to look at with VAR's help here. Challenger.
Alisson in trouble here, but David Lovren get it away. And a free kick. And they get a card for Alisson in the end.
Was he given a penalty, Jason, I think, here, for a possible pullback by the goalkeeper here after this on the
Salah! Really might have passed. Sadio Mane's disappointed.